Over a period of time, we will also guide you to meditate on each of the shlokas. So it's not just chanting, it is silent meditation on each shloka. Artha aita? You got what I'm saying? Yeah. So silently, you can meditate on the bhava of the shloka, what the shloka is talking about. So when I say Shiva Shaktya Yukto Yadi Bhavati Shaktaha Prabhavitum Na Chedevam Devo Na Khalu Kushalaha Spanditumapi Atastvam Aradhyam Harihara Virinchadipirapi Pranantum Stotumva Katham Akruta Punyaha Prabhavati. Many of you know this and you know how to chant it. But if I ask you to meditate on the shloka,